Now, most people are actually infuriated and sickened by statues of Mayawati that she's building to herself. But as we saw, Dalits still support it. Joining us now to discuss this entire issue is the senior leader of the Congress party, Mr. Digvijay Singh. We've got Ajoy Bose here, who's author of Behenji, and he's a political analyst. Behenji is story of Mayawati. And we'll go back to Harish Salve, who's actually the lawyer in Mayawati's case, lawyer for Mayawati in the case in the Supreme Court. First, starting with you, Mr. Digvijay Singh, you've been very strongly condemning these statues being built as a waste of money, but the facts, as the opinion poll tends to show, that the Dalits still say it's okay. And that's the Congress's problem, right? You want to win the Dalits back, but they don't seem to be shifting at all.
Well, I would not like to politicize this issue. The issue is, what should be the priority of the state government? Should the building of statues, wasting thousands of crores in building monuments, or providing electricity? In fact, the situation which took place in Amethi yesterday, throughout the state of Uttar Pradesh, there is no power in the rural areas, and there is a lot of anger against the UP government. If this money was saved and new power plants could have been put up, even power could have been purchased when there was a scarcity. Right. But all this money is now being spent on building these statues and elephants and monuments. We have no quarrel about Dalit icons being statues being constructed, but there is a limit. How many statues will you build?
But tell me,
why should there be 4 different statues of Mayawati ji in Lucknow?
But how do you respond to her retort that the Congress has built so many statues to Brahmin leaders and other leaders over the years? Why can't she build a statue as well?
No, surely she can. She has the mandate of the people. She can build any amount of statues. But the point I'm trying to make is, the government has to prioritize its necessities. Should that be a priority, or providing power, electricity, roads and water in the rural areas is a priority? This is what she has to just decide.
Right. If I can just bring in Ajoy Bose, you understand her mind well. It does seem a bit much to build a statue to yourself. Everything else is just about possible, Kanshi Ram and Ambedkar. But to yourself with a handbag, isn't that a bit over the top?
But that's Mayawati, isn't it? I mean, she's always thrived on controversy.
Right.
She's done stuff which no other leader has done. In fact, that's why it's so fascinating to do a book on her, because she's sort of crossed.
In her mind?
Well, I think it's not just a question of megalomania. I mean, it's there.
Yes.
The personality cult is there. But I think also, all this controversy is helping her immensely. The more she's demonized, the more there is this huge thing about the statues. I think she associates, and her core community, her core constituency, the Dalits, associate this attack on her building statues with statues of other Dalit icons. And comments might say, Mulayam Singh Yadav. Well, you know something, she's a very shrewd woman. Right. After these election setback, what she's done is what she was ignoring these years after getting to power. She's become extremely conscious of atrocities on Dalits,
so she's
of
focusing
on that.
Core base.
Her core base,
right,
and the poorer backward castes, and the poorer Muslims.
But won't they be actually eventually sick of this? When
I'll tell you something. These statues are going to be a huge albatross around her neck if she doesn't do anything for them. Then it will be a huge disadvantage. So, it will work against her. But if she manages to keep that core community together, then this controversy actually works for her.
Right.
So the bottom line, Pranay, in this is what she does on the ground.
I'm going to come back to you on who actually advises her on this, but let's just bring in Harish Salve. Now, Harish, I know you're the lawyer, and it's a legal case which you won actually, and we don't want to go into I know you may not want to stray into politics, but can we allow taxpayers' money to be used to build any leader, statues of any leader of themselves? Isn't it just profligacy? Isn't that the word? Something like that, yeah. Isn't it just a waste of money?
See, there are 3 dimensions to this problem, Pranay. One is the political debate on this, which I don't want to comment upon. One is the legal debate, and the Chief Justice that day expressed his tentative views because they asked for an interim order. He said, unless there is something unlawful